In this video, I will be showing you the potential disadvantages and privacy risks associated with using Perplexity AI. Let's get started. I am starting here by looking at how Perplexity essentially wants your data, collecting everything from your search history and IP address to your device location to build its massive data pipeline. This is a significant concern because it means any sensitive or personal information I provide might not be fully protected by the kind of end-to-end encryption I would expect from a truly privacy-focused platform. As I scroll down to the second point, I'm examining how their new browser is specifically designed to track my activity by monitoring every tab I open and every link I click. This transition from a simple search engine to a full data collection platform essentially creates a tool for surveillance where my behavior is tracked and potentially sold to advertisers. Next, I will move on to the section regarding the introduction of ads, which suggests that the clean ad-free experience I'm used to might be coming to an end soon. This really makes me wonder if I will continue to receive objective information or if the AI's answers will eventually be influenced by paid promotion and sponsored content from prioritized partners. Looking at the fourth point, I am also considering the risks for enterprise and developer data, where feeding sensitive files or legal documents into the AI could lead to serious data leakage. Finally, I am checking this list of tracked behaviors, like my LinkedIn referral sources and device info, before reviewing the final safety tips. To protect myself, I will make sure to avoid entering sensitive info into the search bar, use a VPN to limit tracking, and always read the privacy policy before connecting any of my personal accounts. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.